Belief equals baptism. If there is a reason that you have not been baptized and you say that you are following Jesus, I would say that you are not following Jesus, you are watching Jesus. Was Jesus baptized? Yes. Why? Did he need the forgiveness of the sins and the gift of the Holy Spirit? No. He says to fulfill all righteousness. I think he was a heck of a leader and was like, they need an example. If they're supposed to do what I do, hey, John, I need you to baptize me. And he got baptized. I don't want to let you know that we have a horse trough over here with water that is mildly warm. If you decided that today I am going to believe and I would like to be baptized, we can make that happen today. See, we baptize for the forgiveness of sins and the gift of the Holy Spirit, and Jesus went there as an example for us, I believe, and I'm sure there's more theology below that we could talk about. But if you want to get baptized, we're going to sing one song after this. Come find me up front. We can baptize you today. We can baptize you in front of everybody. Some of you are like, oh. We can baptize you not in front of everybody. All of the above. But if you're believing, if you say you are following Jesus, he went through the waters of baptism. Why are you not going there?